How to delete YouTube search history on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the YouTube application on your device. You can see I have a bunch of search history here. In order to delete these, tap on your profile icon. You will see the option for settings. Tap on that and then tap on manage all history. You will see the option for delete drop down. Tap on that. You can now select any of the three options there, that is delete today, delete custom range, and delete all time, and delete the history from that particular time range accordingly. You can also manually delete history by selecting the cross symbol on the left side and then deleting them one by one. Now tap on the Saving Your YouTube History option and uncheck the checkbox for Include Your Searches on YouTube. This will pause the YouTube search history and will limit or disable the personalized experiences across Google services. You will also no longer see recommendations for content or creator you like. If you still want to pause the search history, then go ahead and tap on the pause button. With this, you will successfully delete search history on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.